Hi, this is Joanne. I have a very special message for my man, Le'ele Noah.
Good boy, you're a long, lonely time.
Whoo, sugar!
When time goes by,
I gotta tell you, I can't wait no more time, Lele. That night at the Pony Cake, that was magic. You know it was magic. It was so nice. I've been practicing. I have something to show you, Lele, my darling. I've been practicing. All you have to do is ask that question, baby. I'm ready. That was a very special night for me. I'm ready, baby. I've been practicing. I made my flowers. I had my mail. Ask me the question, sugar. What you waiting for, sugar? Ask me. I love you.